Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another episode of the Daily English Practice channel. I am Anna, and I am feeling absolutely wonderful today.
And I am David. It is great to be here with you, Anna. You seem extra energetic today. Did you have an extra cup of coffee?
Maybe too, David, but mostly I am just so excited about our topic today. It is something very close to my heart and something almost every English learner deals with.
That's right. Today we are talking about making friends in a new country. It can be a little bit scary, right?
Oh, it's terrifying, David. I remember when I first moved abroad, I felt like a fish out of water. I was so nervous to talk to anyone.
A fish out of water. That is a great idiom to start with. Anna, what does that mean exactly?
It means to feel uncomfortable or awkward because you are in a situation that is not familiar to you. In simple words, you feel like you don't belong.
I think many of our listeners feel like a fish out of water when they move to an English-speaking country. But don't worry. Today, we are going to help you feel like a fish in a very friendly pond.
Exactly. Making friends is the best way to practice your English. It is the secret ingredient to fluency. If you have friends to talk to, you forget that you are studying.
That is a great point. When you were laughing with a friend, you stop worrying about grammar rules. So let's jump into some useful expressions. Anna, what is the first thing people should do?
You have to break the ice. That is our first key phrase for today, to break the ice.
To break the ice. I love that one. It means to say or do something to make people feel more relaxed in a social situation.
Exactly. Let's break that down. Imagine a big block of ice between you and a stranger. You need to break it so you can start a conversation. You can break the ice by giving a compliment or asking a simple question.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Break the ice.
Break the ice. You can say, I used a joke to break the ice.
Another way to say that is to start a conversation, but break the ice sounds much more natural. Anna, give us an example of an icebreaker.
Well, I love to use the environment. For example, if you are at a cafe, you can say, this coffee is amazing, isn't it? Or if you are at a park, you can say, what a beautiful day.
Those are perfect. They are small talk. Small talk is light, easy conversation about unimportant things. It's how all great friendships start.
Let's do a mini role play. David, let's imagine we are at a bus stop. I want to make a new friend.
Okay, I'm waiting for the bus and looking at my watch.
Excuse me, do you know if the number 10 bus has passed yet?
Oh, I'm not sure. I've only been here for 5 minutes.
No problem. This weather is crazy, isn't it? 1 minute it's sunny and the next it's raining.
I know. I should have brought my umbrella.
Me too. By the way, I'm Anna. I just moved to this neighborhood.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm David. Welcome to the area.
And scene. Did you see what I did there, David? I started with a question about the bus, and then I used the weather to keep the conversation going.
That was excellent. You used a common situation to break the ice. Let's look at a phrase you used. By the way. This is such a useful phrase.
It really is. By the way, we use this to change the topic slightly or to introduce ourselves. Repeat after us. By the way.
By the way, it's a very natural bridge in a conversation.
Now, David, once you have started talking, you want to find common ground.
Common ground. That means finding things that you both like or have in common. Maybe you both love football, or you both love cooking.
Or you both love complaining about the bus being late. That is very common ground.
True. When you find common ground, you can say, me too, or so do I.
Let's do another role play. Let's imagine we are at a language exchange meetup.
Great. I'll be the person sitting alone with a name tag.
Hi there. Is anyone sitting here?
No, go ahead. I'm David.
Hi, David. I'm Anna. Is this your first time at this meetup?
Yes, it is. I'm a bit nervous about my English.
Oh, me too. I get so tongue-tied sometimes.
Really? You sound very confident. I'm actually here because I love meeting people from different cultures.
That's amazing. Me too. I love traveling and learning about new food.
No way! I'm a total foodie. I love trying new recipes.
We have so much in common. We should share some recipes sometime.
And stop. That went really well. Anna, you used the phrase tongue-tied. Can you explain that?
Oh, I love this one. To be tongue-tied means you are so nervous that you can't speak clearly. Your tongue feels like it has a knot in it.
We have all been there. It is okay to be tongue-tied. Just take a breath and try again.
Exactly. And did you notice how David said, no way? In this context, it doesn't mean no. It's a way to show surprise and excitement. It's like saying, wow, or I can't believe it.
That's a great point. Use no way when you find something surprising and comment. It shows you are listening and interested.
You can use this in daily life very easily. If someone says, I love pizza, you can say, no way, me too.
Now let's talk about some common mistakes. One mistake is being too quiet because you're afraid of making a mistake.
Oh, definitely. If you don't speak, people can't get to know you. It's better to speak with mistakes than to stay silent with perfect grammar in your head.
So true. Another mistake is only asking questions. It feels like an interview.
Yes, don't be an interviewer. Share a little bit about yourself too. It should be a two-way street.
A two-way street. That means a situation where both people participate equally. A conversation is a two-way street.
Let's practice some encouraging phrases you can use to keep a friend talking. You can say, that's interesting, or tell me more.
Or, I know what you mean. These phrases show empathy. Empathy is when you understand how the other person feels.
You are such a good teacher, David. You are so thoughtful.
Thanks, Anna. I try my best. Now let's get into our motivational section.
Listen to me, everyone. I know it is hard. I know your heart beats fast when you want to say hello to someone new, but you are brave. You moved to a new country. That is a huge accomplishment.
That's right. Every person you meet is a potential new friend. Don't be afraid of a little rejection. If someone is not friendly, that's okay. Just move on to the next person.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep putting yourself out there. To put yourself out there means to take a risk and try new things socially.
Say it with confidence. I am going to put myself out there.
I love that energy. Now, let's do a quick review of the key phrases we learned today.
First, we had a fish out of water. This means feeling uncomfortable in a new situation.
Second, break the ice to start a conversation and make things less awkward.
Third, small talk. Light conversation about everyday topics.
Fourth, by the way, a phrase used to change the subject or add information.
Fifth, common ground. Things that two people both like or share.
Sixth, tongue-tied, feeling too nervous to speak.
Seventh, no way. An expression of surprise and excitement.
And finally, a two-way street, a conversation where both people contribute.
You guys did a great job today. Remember, making friends takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Yes, be your own best friend first. Treat yourself with kindness while you learn.
Well, I think that's all for today's episode.
It was so much fun. Thank you for joining us on the Daily English Practice Channel.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
And remember, progress, not perfection. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.